How to remove payout account in Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you remove payout account in Facebook page. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Meta Business Suite app, or you can go to the business.facebook.com on your browser. After you open application or in browser with your Facebook page, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on more. From here, tap on settings. And from the settings section, simply tap on add account settings. From the section billing and payments, if your Facebook page is monetized, you can get the option for payout. Simply tap on that. In my case, I'm getting the option for payment activity or business info only. Simply tap on payout. After you tap on that payout account, you'll be able to find your added payout account on your Facebook page. Simply tap on that, and from there you can get the option for remove payout account from that way. After that, you'll have to confirm it. From there, after you confirm, you'll be able to remove payout account from your Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.